Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create wire on hand video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare your video, a video of you who pretends you have wire on your hands. This kind of video. Oops, sorry, I'm going to play it to show you my video. Okay, you need to create a video like this. And after you have prepared your video, you can download a Wire video from the internet. You just need to search for Wire video and you need to download it. Okay, and now it's time to open up the VN Video Editor and I'm going to create new project. You can go to VN and create new project. Okay, and then I'm going to add my video. I'm going to open up this folder. Okay, and my video is here. This one. Okay. And now I'm gonna add the Wire video to this project. Wait, I'm going to play it. Okay, for example, I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to add a wire here on my hand. So I'm gonna go to the sticker or PIP and then select photos. And I'm gonna add my wire video. Okay. This is the Wire video and we're going to blend this video with our first video. So we can go to the blending option and then we can choose difference. Okay, just difference. Okay, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, and then you can adjust the appearance of this wire. Okay. I'm gonna make it appear here and we can adjust the position. And to make the wire follow the moving hand, we can use keyframe. Okay, I'm gonna move it again here. Okay, you can adjust, you can add keyframe to the wire to make the wire follow the moving hand. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I'm going to cut it here. Okay guys, and I'm going to play the final result. I know that it's not perfect, but this is just for an example and you can create a better video than me. Okay, and that's all the way to create Wire on hand video editing on VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.